The journey of Terra begins with an initial concept, developed using advanced computational design to prepare it for 3D printing. Concurrently, we prepare the clay material and enhance it with additional organic materials to optimize it for printing. Then, we fill the clay inside the extruder. Next, we start the printing process using the locally manufactured RIS robot. After the printing process is finished, the drying phase begins. Once the piece is fully dried, it undergoes firing to attain hardness and durability. To enhance its artistic appeal, we collaborate with renowned local artists and experts to select appropriate colors and accurately apply the glaze. The piece is then fired again to reveal its final gradients. Finally, we incorporate lighting elements and a base that's specially designed to complement Terra and accentuate its beauty. The base ensures stability and balanced light distribution. What sets Terra apart is its unique design, which allows light to flow through the side openings, creating a distinctive ambience in any space. This makes Terra a complete art piece that combines aesthetics, functionality, and advanced technology.